guys. It's me, Matthew Edison. Yay! Also, guys, welcome back, guys, to another tropical weather outlook, guys. Yay! So yeah, guys. So guys, listen to today in the Atlantic is pretty active today, guys. Yeah. See, guys, pretty active today, guys. Yeah, guys, because there are four disturbances in here. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, there's two disturbances out here right now, guys. So yeah, guys. So first, let's get into the first one, which is this one right over here, which is disturbance number one. In the next 48 hours, it has a high 90% chance of formation, guys, in the next 48 hours. In the next 5 days, it has a high 90% of formation, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, it could form in like for the next 2 to 5 days, guys. So, yeah, guys. Big chance of forming soon. Yeah, guys. And also we have another disturbance right over here, which is disturbance number two, guys. And for the next 48 hours, it has a high 70% of formation, guys. So yeah, guys. And then for the next 5 days, it has a high 90% of formation till, guys. Yeah, guys. And also, guys, we have two other disturbances right over here, guys. So yeah, guys, area guys to watch, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, we have disturbance number three right here. In the next 48 hours, it has a low 10% of formation. In the next 5 days, it has a low 10% of formation, guys. So yeah, guys. And here is disturbance number four, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, in the next 48 hours, it has a low 10% of formation, guys. And in the next 5 days, a low 30% of formation, guys. So yeah, guys, in the next 5 days. So yeah, guys. So guys, it is well pretty active in the Atlantic right now with in fact, yeah, the whole disturbances today, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, now let's go move on to oh, Pacific, guys. For so during Pacific, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, today and today over here, guys. We have only one system active today, which is tropical storm Julio, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, so its winds is currently 40 per hour winds, and also its pressure is currently 104 millibars, guys. So yeah, guys. Yeah, and guys, it's currently moving at 19.3 north and 110.0 west. And also, it's currently moving at 20 mile per hour winds, guys. So yeah, guys, here is Julio, guys, right now in fall. East Southern Pacific, guys. Now let's go move on to Central Pacific. And guys, infinite, and also guys, there is no tropical cyclones are expected to form in the next 5 days, guys. So yeah, guys, so guys, it is so quiet overall here, guys. So yeah, guys, so guys, now, guys, let's go move on to Atlantic info. satellite imagery, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys. So guys, to yeah, also guys here as well. Satellite imagery today of Atlantic, guys. So yeah, guys, so guys, like build around here is this is Durban's number 4, guys. So yeah, guys, probably right there, I think maybe. So yeah, and also, guys, right over here is this is Durban's number 3, guys. So yeah, guys, and guys, over here is Invest 92L, guys. So yeah, guys, and also guys, right over here is in fact some 93L, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, yeah, guys. So guys is pretty active today, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, now guys, so let's go move on to Eastern Pacific. Okay, guys. So guys, so today info. Oh, in Southern Pacific, we only have tropical storm Julio today, guys. So yeah, guys, which is like about here, guys. So yeah, guys, right over here, guys. So yeah, guys, and also we have some we have rain. Also, guys, there's rain right over here too, guys. So yeah, guys, but guys, well, there's some clouds. Well, yeah, guys, but well, guys, it is all not even well expected to become anything, guys. So yeah, guys, so guys, it's well, guys, well, it's kinda a little quiet today, but well, guys, so today we have Julio and fans like bound for being fans active for today, guys. So yeah, guys, let's go move on to Central Pacific. Okay, guys, so today info Central Pacific it is it is cool, quiet today, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, so if you're currently some rain down over here, guys. So yeah, guys. But well, guys, it's not even expected to become anything. So guys, that is good, guys. So yeah, guys. Yeah, also, guys, we have some like that rain right over your license for Western Pacific, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, we also have typhoons, guys. So yeah, guys. But well, guys, we don't even forecast typhoons, guys. And so yeah, guys. So in Eastern Pacific and also Central and Eastern Pacific hurricanes and also Atlantic hurricanes. Guys, so yeah, guys, well, guys, it is so quiet today, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, now let's go move on to Infeto 92L. Okay, guys. So guys, this is Infet the 92 L for today, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, today, guys, it's like so more organized today, guys. So yeah, guys. See, guys, it looks kind of more organized today, guys. So yeah, guys. Well, guys, it has a 9% for chance of formation, guys, for the next 48 hours and for the next 5 days too, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, we are watching on this guys. So yeah, guys, it could become called Paulette, maybe guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, well, now let's go move on to track predictions, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, here's track predictions, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, well, guys, most foot tracks, well, thinks, well, it's gonna go west, guys. So yeah, guys. Well, which is not good, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, it could become a threat for Caribbean, guys. So yeah, guys. Now, well, this track, well, predicts that too. Yeah, guys. Well, some tracks think, it will go north, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, well, yeah, guys. So guys, we'll figure out more soon about this, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, now, guys, let's go move on to Dreyfus predictions for that 100 and six to the 8 hours. Okay, guys. So guys, this is for to intensity. Yo, predictions, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, this is for highest, guys. He's in minutes 168 hours. This one, well, think so. Well, also, guys, well, most of them, well, think, well, it will being tropical storm, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, this model thinks it will maybe almost become a category one, guys. So yeah, guys, and guys, this model so thinks so too, and also got and some will think might just die off, guys. So yeah, guys, and well, just wait. Yeah, guys. So, guys, here's track predictions and finance. 100 and 8 hours, guys. So, yeah, guys. And now, guys, let's go move on to Infest 93L. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is Infest 93 L right now, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, currently, it is in the coast of Africa, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, also guys, guys, it's kind of a beginning of formation, guys. So yeah, guys. Like the little formation, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, this is currently in that 93 hour right now, guys. So we are going to keep a launch on this and also 92 L2, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, let's go move on to Franco predictions, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is for Draco predictions, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, wait, wait. So, guys, currently, guys, it is way over here, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, guys, so yeah, guys, but tracks are basically the same, guys. So yeah, guys. So far, they say, it's gonna go north, guys. So yeah, guys. This one will. So yeah, guys. But guys, this one thinks it will go like more west north. This one in the middle, kind of. These two in the middle, kind of. and this one, no more, east, north, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, here's well, try go pre- prediction so far, guys. So yeah, guys. So now, guys, let's go move on to Ilva. Strength. Predictions. In the next 100 so it will be 8 hours, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is Infest 93 L right. So, guys, this is currently Infest 93 L right now, right over here, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, it's in, so, guys, these models, well, things tomorrow, think, well, infinite 24 hours will be coming tropical storm, guys. So yeah, guys, and for the next 38, 36 hours, this one thinks it's gonna be coming tropical storm, guys. This one will think, well, it will, well, not even later, guys. So yeah, guys, like 108 and 120, guys. So yeah, guys, and 132, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, these models think, it will become a category one hurricane, guys. So yeah, guys, yeah, these models, yeah, they think, well, it's gonna go down, guys, in the next 168 hours. So yeah, guys, this fear, but try go, but predictions for infects playing for Alpha for that, well, 168 hours for in intensity, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, let's go move on to Julio. Okay. Okay, guys. So guys, this is Julio, guys. So yeah, guys, he's right now, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, well, yeah, guys, this is currently Julio right now, guys. So yeah, guys, he's near for, well, like about, well, a bit in further from Mexico, a bit further out from Mexico, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, well, there, so yeah, guys. So now, guys, let's go move on for National Hurricane Center. So to track for Julio, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, this is tropical storm Julio. So track for Julio, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, here it was at 3 p.m. Sunday. Well, maybe Pacific time or Eastern time, guys. We are, guys. So guys, well, later on it will, well, move, well, more wet, guys. So yeah, guys. Well, the old gonna be a tropical storm, guys. It's 12 p.m. Monday. Same thing. It will continue being a tropical storm, guys. At 12 a.m. Tuesday, well, it will slow down a bit, guys. At 12 p.m. Tuesday, well, same thing. Well, it will continue to slow down, and at 12 a.m. Wednesday, it will, maybe turn post tropical, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, we are isn't a, warnings also watches right now. So yeah, guys. So which is great, guys. So yeah, guys. So now, guys, let's go to track predictions, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, this is, so guys, here as well. Track predictions. for Julio, guys. So yeah, guys. Well, guys, most of them are kind of the same, guys. While going West, guys. So yeah, guys. All of them are saying it will go West, guys. So yeah, guys. But well, guys. This model well thinks well it will go north. Some of them thinks it will go north, guys. This one thinks well. Some of them think well. A little bit of them thinks well it will go south, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, so here is well, track, poop, 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 predictions, guys. So yeah, guys, so guys, let's go move on to rainfall, poop, 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 poop. Predictions, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys, here's well. Rainbow. Predictions for Julio, guys. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, this is where it's currently at right now, guys. So, yeah, guys. So guys, so fifth model thinks well it will become a category 1 for next 168 hours. This one's think well it will become a tropical depression or post tropical or remnant low. Some think well it will oh just well continue being a tropical storm, guys. Well, they don't even know what is well next for it. So yeah, guys, and some of them think so. It will just well jump down, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, now let's go move on to our next names on for naming words, guys. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, here is the next names for Atlantic Hurricane Season 2020, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, for next name in for Atlantic, guys, so is Paulette. And also, guys, the next name after that is Rene, guys. So yeah, guys. So if all's well, in fact, still form, guys is they would become Paulette and Rene, guys. So yeah, guys. Also, guys, for next name, aim, aim, aiming for East Southern Pacific, guys. It's a Karina, guys, and for next name after that, it's a Lowell, guys. So, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video here, make sure to get your name in sorting and test rolling that like button and subscribe if you guys want to support my channel. Also, guys, subscribe to my two other channels too, Matthew Evisits, and also more Matthew Evisits too, guys. And also, guys, comment if you guys have any questions or you guys want to talk or whatever, guys. And also, guys, make sure to turn off on the notification bell so you guys won't even miss any videos, guys. So yeah, guys, and see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.